Hold on.
Yeah.
Welcome to week 4 of construction. Now, in the past 3 weeks, we spent it digging up the foundation. And after we dug up the foundation, we built the foundation base. And then afterwards, we started assembling the building blocks. We built the windows, the doors, and we prepped the roof so that we can start assembling what you are looking at right now. So those heavy blocks are called bovedillas. And then on top, you can see those long beams. They're called bigas. And that's what they use to build the roof in the 21st century in many countries, where bricks are used to build concrete buildings, right? That way it's easier to assemble, and when it comes to disassembly, let's say for example, 3 decades, 4 decades, 5 decades from now, you want to demolish or maybe you want to make some adjustments, they're also easy to take down as well, right? So it's a very easy way, it's a modern way to build the roof right now in 2026 and beyond. All right, so now right now we have the workers putting up the bovedillas, the blocks, and they are assembling them on top of the beams called bigas, and so that way we can have everything ready to pour concrete on, right? So that everything can hold firmly. But before we can pour concrete, though, the electrician and also the plumber. So here in Yucatan, the electrician and the plumber are actually the same people. It's like, for some reason, it's the same profession, which even up until now, it is still very wild for me, that the fact that, water and electricity can mix. But here, that's how it goes. Okay. So before we can pour concrete, though, the electrician, they have to put in the power lines, the pipes for the water, so on and so forth, for clean water and dirty water. So agua limpia, agua sucia, they have to be able to do that. So today they're actually working together. So I had a bunch of people, almost 10 people, working on the site. The albañiles, the construction workers, they were assembling the blocks, while the electricians, so the electricians actually came, I believe, the day after to assemble the power lines. So right now I'm about to discuss with the architect uh, regarding where I want the lighting fixtures to go to, because the day after, the electricians came to put some holes in the ceiling so that they can put the power lines and such through the roof, but it'll come down through the ceiling.
And the ventilator is going to have a light too, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's enough light for
yeah,
here.
yeah,
I believe so.
yeah. So we're gonna have one, and then one in the middle.
Exactly.
Okay.
What I recommend is one over here, one over here, and the fan
In the middle.
like here or
Okay.
here. Okay.
Okay.
Just to make sure that the aspas, say in English,
Yeah, the wings
doesn't shadow the lights.
Yeah, I see, I see, I see.
Because sometimes that happens.
Yeah, I see, I see.
We can have like one lamp here and one over here approximately.
Okay.
And the fan can be more or less like here. We can check the center, center, and we can put, for the kitchen, one here and one here.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe two here and two there, and just for lamps.
Okay.
I don't know if the fan is going to have a light.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I believe that with two lamps and two lamps here, and the fan with a light is.
So now we're done assembling the bovedillas and the bigas. We assembled close to 200 bovedillas, and we had some leftover for the terrace, because we haven't built the terrace, at least as of that time. And right now we have the electricians slash the plumbers working on top of the roof right now because they're gonna pass the polyflex. So the polyflex are like the orange flexible uh, pipes that you're gonna see eventually in one of the videos, and they have to pass the polyflex inside those holes in the blocks, as well as the pipes for the water. So the kitchen and the bathroom are close to the passageway, the pasillo, which makes it easier for the piping. All right. But, because we're going to build a second floor, we have to prep everything right now before pouring concrete. All right. So that's why you see the architects here just checking to make sure that everything is done properly, because like the construction workers and the electricians will work together to make sure that everything is in place. So I didn't go on the roof myself. So I was actually on my roof, the roof of my building, just to see, how it's like, I guess, how they do their jobs. So right here we have Abel and his team working alongside the construction workers. So the construction workers, they were laying the boverias while the electricians were prepping the power lines and also the hydraulics. So the pipes that we need to bring water in and out of the house. So this is pretty much it. This is how you build a roof, a concrete roof here in Mexico. Let me know what you think. Ciao.